Hi there, this is Edmund, and in this very short tutorial we're going to talk about my project settings and my export settings. And this is going to be very basic, so if you're looking for something sophisticated, something very advanced, then maybe you should look for another tutorial, or maybe I will create something more advanced in the near future. But for now, this is anything for the beginners, anything for the starters. I'll actually show you my intuitive workflow and the settings that I'm using in order to work as fast as possible. So if you are new to DaVinci and you would like to, edit model videos and beauty shots, then this is the right place to be. So first, the project settings. Well, this really depends on what kind of shot do I have, what kind of footage do I have, and ideally I like to shoot in 4K, 50 or 60 frames per second, and in 10-bit. Of course, this is quite a extreme setting for semi-professional cameras, and in my case I film with Lumix S1, and this allows me to have this kind of quality. But when I'm filming a shot like this, in this case a 4K 8-bit 60 or I believe 50 frames per second shot, I used a 4K Ultra HD resolution. Then I choose 24 frames per second, which is my kind of favorite, cinematic frame rate, and that's about it. I just hit save. I choose a shot that I would like to edit, make a selection. Oh yeah, first things first is we have to make sure that we have also the footage that we are editing also in 24 frames. In this case, it will make it much slower, and it looks like this. If the file is too big, then you have to generate optimized media. This is where you find it. But for now, this is cool. We're going to import this shot. Beautiful. And straight away we go to the export settings. Again, very simple. It depends on what you need. If you want to go for like maximum settings, then you're going for ProRes. And in this case, you choose QuickTime. Of course, you choose the file name, you choose the location. Apple ProRes 42 HQ, high quality, and that's about it. So, fair warning, this will generate quite a big files, but if you are editing short videos, if you really want to have a crispy, beautiful end result, then this is the settings. If you want to create something smaller, for instance for YouTube or for Instagram or Facebook video, whatever you need, and then I advise you to go to the YouTube settings. Everything is pretty much preset, and that helps you. That will enable you to have much longer videos, and the file sizes will be quite small. Then we have the custom, the custom setting, and this is very similar to the YouTube version. However, here you can also have the control the bitrate, so you control the file size, but also the quality of the video without choosing for the ProRes. And of course, if you don't know how to render the videos, you just add to render queue. Let's choose it here for now. The file name is untitled. You just start render, and that's about it. Very quick video. I hope that this was helpful. If you were looking for this kind of information, this is the most simple. Those are the most simple settings that I'm using, the most simple workflow that I'm using. And if you want to film, if you want to edit fast, if you want to edit intuitive, then I really advise you to use those settings. A very big fan of DaVinci Resolve Studio. amazing software, helps me a lot with my work, and I hope that you will have a lot of fun with it as well. Thank you so much. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have questions about what kind of things you would like to learn, leave it in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Have fun.